Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. In this video we will see how we can attack a remote computer and capture his all live traffic in browser history, and we will be able to see any website or any IP address he or she generate in their browser or computer. I have to say this video is only for education purpose. Please take permission of the user before doing this attack. Again, I am saying this video is only for education purpose. First, let's talk what is this attack and how we can use it. This attack is known as R spoofing. The way it works is that attacker send the wrong gateway IP address to victim. So whenever the victim tries to visit any website, the traffic will be sent to the attackers, and attacker will send the traffic to the gateway. So in this case, attacker will see all the browser history or traffic generated by the victims. And this is our diagram. We have a router which we have configured as the gateway, and also it's providing internet to access layer devices like Windows in attackers, victims in attackers. And this is our victim with IP address of 10.1.1.4, and we have attackers with IP address of 10.1.1.2. So the attack which is R spoofing is installed by default in all Kali Linux, and also you will require a Wireshark to see all the data which you have been captured in your attacker PC. So first let's open Kali Linux. This is with Kali Linux. Okay, so if you type the if we want to find the IP address, just type IP minus a show, and you will be able to see the IP address of the attackers. Also, let's open victim PC. This is the victim PC, and if you type ipconfig, you will be able to see the IP address of the victim, also the gateway IP address. So right now, if we go to the Wireshark, and we open all and we capture the traffic right now, let's see. Okay, suppose I am trying to ping 1.1.1.1 minus t, and we type like ip dot dst equal to ip dst equal to like equal to 1.1.1.1. Okay, so you don't have any traffic right now, even if we have a traffic in victim, but let's complete this task, and then we will be able to see all the traffic generated by the victims. So there are two or three commands you need to perform. The first command is ctlc, okay, and minus w network.ipv4 dot ip underscore forward is equal to 0. I mean 1. What it will do, the traffic you receive it from the victims, the attacker will send all those traffic to the gateway. So in this case, and the attacker will not have any downtime in their internet. The next command is or spoofing. Spoofing minus I, you need to identify your local interface, which is in our case it is 0, and minus t. Minus t is the target IP address, which in our case is 10.1.1 of 4. If you see, we still don't have any traffic by the name to this 10.1.1.1, but in also the next command after this, you need to add the gateway IP address, which is 10.1.1.1. So whenever you add this, the traffic will be redirected to 111. If we now go to the attacker PCC, you will be able to see the traffic redirected to 1.1.1, 10.1.1.1. So you even if we not touch anything in victims, but we are able to see all the traffic redirected by the victim. See, so let's open something like you have a web page by the name of something, I don't know, but maybe you have something which has the IP address of 10.10.10.1. So if we now type like 10 dot uh, 10.10.10.1, you see we don't have any traffic. Even if you remove this and capture all the traffic, you will be able to see all the traffic of the victims in your computer. So let's open Firefox. We're gonna use like HTTPS, or we can do like HTTP or HTTPS, no problem. We can do like HTTP /10.10.10.1, and see you will be able to see all the traffic the user generated. Like the user used the TCP, the IP address is 10.10.10.10, and you can see everything, all the information the user used the port ET, or all the details. Even if you go with something like uh, example, I don't let's go with the cisco.com, https or cisco.com. You will be able to see the cisco.com, but not the URL, but the IP address. I think this is this IP address of the Cisco. If you want to be make sure, this thing, cisco.com, see 185. So let's the Cisco will be open, but it will take some time because my internet is not that fast. So now let's capture, filter by selected, and let's go with the 72 163 for 185. See, you have all the traffic generated by the user, and here it's saying what are the source. The destination is this one, and the protocol is HTTPS, and everything. See, now the Cisco is opening as well, but as I said, it will be a little bit slow because my internet is slow as well. That's why. So if you want to disable it back, to let the user use its own traffic, just you can type Control C and enter, or Control Z to stop this. Also, you need to disable this the forwarding option. So thank you guys for watching. uh, Please, again I'm saying this, please use, uh, this is only for education purpose, to avoid this kind of risk, or just you get to know what is possible in this network. Okay, so have a good day, guys. If you have any question, you can add in the comment section, and I will reply as soon as I can. Thank you. Have a good time.